Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use the send to back and bring forward tools inside Google Docs and Google Slides. These tools, help you move images, shapes, and text boxes on top of or behind each other. It's simple once you see it, so let's get right into it. So first thing, open the document or slide where you want to adjust the layering. It could be an image behind text, or maybe a shape that needs to go forward. Either way, start by selecting the item. Now, once you've selected something, just right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up, and you'll notice an option called Order. This is where all the layering tools live. If you want that item to move upward in the stack, choose Bring Forward. And if you need it right on top of everything, choose Bring to Front. It moves the object one layer at a time or all the way up, depending on what you need. All right, now if you want something to go behind another object, choose Send Backward. And if you want it completely behind everything, go for Send to Back. This is super useful for background images in Google Slides or decorative elements in Google Docs. If you're not a fan of right-clicking, you can also use the toolbar. Just go to the top bar, click Arrange, then go to Order. And same options are right there. A quick tip, if something won't move the way you expect, it might be grouped. So just right-click and choose Ungroup first. Also, locking elements in slides can help avoid moving the wrong object. And that's it. Now you know how to use Send to Back and Bring Forward in Google Docs and Google Slides, full 2026 guide. These little tools make your layouts look way cleaner. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another tutorial.